Hello everybody, it's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. Today we are going to be doing some roll the dice savings challenges to save up a little bit of money. And let's get started. I'll show you what I'm doing. So in here I have a couple of 5s and some 1s that we are going to be using. And then in here I have some mini savings challenges that we are going to be doing. This right here is the winter challenge from Lisa Grateful Me, and I will get to that one. This one right here is completed, so I will show you that it is completed. There's 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So this one is completed. We are going to tape it. And this is going to be put up for the spring to get started with the homestead and the chickens. So this one is going to come back here, and we are going to put it in here as a completed. So my ideal is to get some of these done. The winter challenge, I do believe whatever I save in it is going to go into the 2025 challenge. So that is in my other binder to start for 2025. But whatever I have in here, I am going to move it over to a bigger challenge. So we are going to get started. So what I'm going to do first is my dice here. I'm just using one. And our first row is a 2. So I wrote the 2 in. And I'm going to put $2 in here. So 1 and 2 is going to go into the winter fund. And of course you can hear Simon in the background. He is being a little mouthy as always. So there's that one. We are just going to go as far as we can. This one right here. Oops, I boo-booed. Wait a minute. Okay, there. Okay, this one right here, because I did take the chicken out. So we are going to open this up if I can get it together. And I'm going to roll the dice also. This one right here has numbers 1 through 5. Which if I get a 6, I can do, oh, it's only going to get 1. So I am going to find the blue and find a 1. And I'm going to color this in here. And I will put a 1 in here. All of these have got a purpose. I'm not for sure yet, but I know they got a purpose. It has to be a purpose for something. So this one right here is a summer challenge that I got a freebie from Lisa over at the Happy Mailbox Company. So what I'm going to do is just roll it. So there's 3. So I'm coloring in 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm just trying to use some of these challenges that I've got, guys. So this is the way I'm going to do it, and later on I may come back and explain to you where these are going, but I'm just trying to finish some of these up first. So let's see what we get into the micro wins. This is the Budget Nerd. Oh, it gets 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a 5 and a 1. So let's do this right here. A 1. And this 5 down here. We'll go ahead and get that 5 out of there. So there's 5 and 6. The next one is, this says windowsill decor. It don't matter. It's plants. So, you know, this is going to go for probably like potting soil or plant pots for the greenhouse. And of course, this is going to be roll of dice also. So, she jumped right on there. Okay, well, we'll just write a 1 here. And we'll put $1 in there. And if we got money left over, we'll just go back and do it until every dollar has a place to go. This right here is the plants also. So like I said, it could go for potting soil. Okay guys, sorry for the interruption. My husband comes through and he goes, "You should have told me you were recording. You need to put a sign up on the door." It's all good. I'll just pause it. Okay, so let's get back to where we were. All this money is going to find a place to go. And these right here are so cute. The plants, I love the plants. They're just so cute. Cute, cute, cute. Oops, y'all didn't see that. And we have a 2 for this one. So all this will have a purpose, and I promise later on I will figure out where it's going. So we're just going to slide this one right back here. And we are going to move on. This right here is, I finished the chicken on the 28th, so I just went ahead and put it there. But I wanted to show you guys before I sealed it. So that is for the spring chickens. So we're trying to get started. So we are going to start from the very beginning again and see where the rest of this money is going. And no, I am not doing a 2 again. We have got to find a better system in rolling these. And I don't know where, how, what, how come, why, but we're redoing this. Some way, somehow. Okay, here we go. Let's start over. 4. That's better. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you know what? If you don't like the rules, you can change them because you made them. So we're just going to throw 4 into here. That's the best thing about saving money. You know, if you can, I'm just now getting back into the position to where I can save a little bit of money. And guys, you just don't know how much it's really helped me to get started again. So I'm going to have to take this one out for right now because that one's driving me a little crazy. So we are going to open this one up. And we are going to roll and see what we get this time. 4. So, oh, here it is. We're going to do 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going into here, which will make 5. So I'm going to take this out and put this in. So the next one, again, I'm just trying to finish these up, these little minis that I've got. Figure out where we're going to go with them and what we're going to do. So let's see what we got this time. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will just slide that in there. I'm not sure how much we got left, but we're going to see how far we can get, guys. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And once I figure out where I want to place these at, I will show you where I put them in the next video. I'll try to make sure that I'm more prepared on this. But I just wanted to jump on here and do a quick video with you guys. Let me slide these down here. And that there. And, whoop. Yep, this one's open. And we are going to roll 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'll write a 3 here. And let me see here what we got left for the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what? To finish it out, guys, I'm going to bring this right here over. And I'm just going to write a 5 on it and put it in here. Because I do have 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 there. And that's it. All of the money is in different envelopes for different things that I will try to figure out where to put it. So, that's it for today's video. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you ain't already subscribed. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.